Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Genevieve, and in today's video we are doing relaxed hairstyles on my short relaxed hair. So first you need to get your hair moisturized. I'm going in with my leave-in, which I also use as a moisturizer. It's the Cantù argan oil leave-in conditioning cream. So I apply a generous amount of that to my hair. And let's get started with the first style. So this is the first style that I'm doing. This video is kind of self-explanatory, so I may not be talking too much. I will just let you guys watch what I'm doing whilst you enjoy the music. And if there is a need that I come and explain anything, I will do just that as the video plays. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. And there we have it, style number 1, side parts with whatever you want to call this, but it's beautiful. I love it. So style number 2 is just a transition from the style number 1, and with this one, just make sure your hair is slicked down because you're gonna twist the front part of your hair like you see me doing. So you twist, and then you go ahead to secure the twist with a bobby pin, because since my hair is short and probably yours is short too, it may fall out of the twist, so you need to secure that with bobby pins as I just did. So you go ahead and twist all the way to the back while continuing to bobby pin it to keep the style in place. Now you can see the top portion of my hair is a little bit rough, so you can choose to add a styling gel over the top of your hair just to tame them down. I didn't do that because I was doing series of styles and I wasn't going to put styling gel in my hair for every style. That's no, that's a no. But if you're doing this once to wear it, you can add just a little bit of gel to tame that part of your hair down and then make it more appealing. Okay, appealing to the sides. So you go ahead and tuck your ends under the twist and then bobby pin it, and that is it. So simple and easy, isn't it? So you can add more bobby pins as much as you want, and this is style number 2. It's beautiful, right? Isn't it? It's wow. I love it. I love it. I love it. So with style number 3, I'm just going to also twist the side that was laid flat in style number 2, and that is just the difference. So I'll keep the part that I rolled first, and I'm going to roll this side, roll, twist, whatever. I'm going to also roll this side to meet up with the part I've already rolled at the back, and just, bobby pin it down there, and that's it. So yeah, let me leave you to watch. I said I was not going to talk much, but I think I'm a talkative. So yeah, let's just watch it, okay? Here you can see that my hair is poking out of the twist, because this is what happens if you decide not to secure the twist with bobby pins. So I just went right in and did and did secure my hair that was poking out with bobby pins, and this is the final look. Isn't this cute and beautiful for a short hair? Rate this. Give me a percentage. How did I do with this style? I think I can do about 80%. What do you think? Okay, so let's get to style number 4. And with style number 4, we are doing two-sided braids. And the thing with this style is that you have to make sure that the your edges together with the center part of your hair is sleek. Okay, so I'll go ahead and brush, make sure I'm putting everything together so that it will look nice. So you go ahead and part just a little bit of hair at your edge over here, as you see me doing, and then you braid downwards. Now if you don't know how to cornrow your hair, maybe you can repeat the video, you would have an idea how it's done. But I have a how to cornrow your hair video on my channel. You can go back to it, or I will link it down below. I think I'll link it down below so that you can learn from that. So you go ahead and braid your hair down, straight down to the back, and you do the same to the other side, and you'll see how it will turn out. Taking a closer look at the top of my hair, you can see it's quite rough there. So like I said earlier on, if you're doing a one-time style, to wear it, you can add some styling gel to it, you can add some mousse and then slick it down just to make it tame. Okay, just to tame that part of your hair, because since our hair is short, we can't drag it down to braids. So all we can do is just to tame it down. So you can use a gel or a mousse to tame it down. But like I said earlier, I was doing a series of styles, so I couldn't do that whilst showing you guys, but you can do that and your style will look nice. So I'm going to do the same to the other side in a fast motion, because we have to, okay? And there you have it, style number 4. So beautiful and elegant and cute. So yeah, thank you so much for staying with me through to the end. In fact, you're a good friend. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you really liked it. Comment your thoughts in the comment section, and check the link in my description box for the how to cornrow video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and don't forget that I love you. Bye.